This is a bold K50. The Goth King has a new phone. This is the phone that I'm going to be trying. You can see my old phone is shit. It looks nice so far. Not sure. This is the unboxing. I had a blue phone before. It was my favorite. I ended up buying it 3 times. Spending lots of money to get it fixed because I couldn't let go of it. K50 6.7 FHD 120 hertz AMOLED display, media talk. Well, you can see the stats for yourself. NFC connectivity. I'm not really into that. This is what it looks like when you get it. It's a bold. So the company was called Blue, but this doesn't say blue nowhere on it. So I guess it's just bold. Bold, not blue. So how are you supposed to get this off? Like that. I wanted a bigger phone, but the other phone that Blue had, or Bold, I don't know if they changed the company's name or this is just a line, but nowhere does it say Blue on the box. So what's in the box? Like I said, my phone sucks that I'm doing this with, but I haven't had a new phone in 5 years, so I at least want to show my new phone since I'm a TikToker and I literally do everything on my phone, all my videos and shit. It's a brick charger, so I guess a lot of phones don't have this no more. They just come with a USB. It comes with the brick, the USB to use to the brick, or to charge to your computer. Headphones, they set you up pretty good with Blue. They're older phones. It comes with everything, you know. A lot of phones don't. You got some headphones, but like I only use wireless now, so I'll give those to my roommates. But they come with everything you need, even a fucking sticker. Huh. Bold. So I don't know if the company changed their name. I'll have to look that up. I literally just typed in Blue, so this is the phone on a Blue website. Manual. I'm just hoping the few things I want it to do. I heard the speaker. It comes with a thing. You can't see it, so that's to get the SIMs out. I heard the speaker's not very good, so, but the screen is really nice. So here's the case. Another thing that I didn't know would be a problem is the camera having no protection on it being so big. I don't know if it's sticking out or not, but that will kind of suck. They sell as a guard. Yeah, that sucks. I don't like that. Why can't they just make regular phones like the one I'm using? There's like a couple little cameras in a long slot, like this way, like my finger. This stuff where they have to have all this shit is just too much, man. You don't need, I don't know. You don't need that many cameras, I don't believe. You know? So let's just turn this bad boy on. Watch it not work. Wouldn't that be the shit? Because, you know, Amazon. That's the power button. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Android, I'm guessing 14. Let's see. Bold. So I guess I don't really know. It's bold. So blue is bold now. Hi there. Well, I guess this is a part where I just let you guys go. This video didn't really contain much. It's more like for the people that love the Goth King, seeing his new phone. Peace! Be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on all social media at TheGothKingOfficial. Peace!